Have you ever wondered what happens when an entire society becomes convinced that prices will only go up forever? Imagine waking up one morning and realizing that something everyone believed in yesterday has suddenly become worthless today. No warning, no pause, just silence, panic, and disbelief. The first market crash in history didn't begin with machines, algorithms, or Wall Street. It began with flowers. In the early 1600s, the Dutch Republic was one of the richest and most advanced societies on Earth. Trade was booming, ships crossed oceans, money flowed like never before. And with prosperity came confidence. Too much confidence. Around this time, something exotic arrived from the East: tulips. They were unlike anything Europe had ever seen. Bright colors, perfect shapes, rare patterns that looked almost unreal. Tulips became symbols of status, sophistication, and success. Owning them meant you had arrived. At first, tulips were simply admired. Then they were collected. Then they were traded. And finally, they were speculated on. Certain rare bulbs became more valuable than houses. A single tulip bulb could cost the equivalent of years of wages. People didn't just buy tulips to plant them. They bought them to sell them to someone else for a higher price. Does that sound familiar? Soon, tulips were no longer traded physically. Contracts were created, promises to buy tulips in the future at higher prices. People with no gardens, no land, and no understanding of flowers were suddenly investors. This period became known as Tulip Mania. The logic was simple and deadly. Prices were rising, so they would keep rising. Everyone believed someone else would always pay more. Fear of missing out replaced common sense. Bakers, sailors, craftsmen, and merchants all joined in. Tulips were no longer flowers. They were dreams. But markets don't run on dreams forever. In early 1637, something small happened. At a routine auction, no one showed up to buy. One contract went unsold, then another. Doubt entered the room. And once doubt appears, belief collapses faster than it was built. Suddenly, everyone wanted to sell, and no one wanted to buy. Prices didn't fall slowly. They collapsed in days, in hours. Fortunes vanished. Contracts became worthless. Promises meant nothing. People who thought they were rich discovered they owned nothing but paper and regret. The first recorded market crash had arrived. There were no government bailouts, no safety nets, just shock, shame, and silence. Many lost everything. Others denied reality, convinced prices would recover. They didn't. Tulips went back to being just flowers. What made this crash so important wasn't the size of the losses. It was the lesson it revealed about human nature. The crash showed that markets are not driven only by value, but by emotion. Hope, greed, fear, and denial move prices far more than logic ever will. For the first time, society witnessed a financial bubble inflate and explode. And unknowingly, they created a pattern that would repeat again and again throughout history. Different assets, same psychology. Centuries later, the names would change. Stocks, railroads, real estate, technology, cryptocurrencies. But the script would remain the same. A good idea turns into hype. Hype turns into certainty. Certainty turns into excess. And excess always ends the same way, with a crash. The first market collapse wasn't a failure of economics. It was a mirror held up to human behavior. It proved that when belief disconnects from reality, prices don't just correct, they break. And that lesson still matters today. Because every time someone says, "This time is different," history quietly smiles. If this story helped you see markets through a deeper lens, take a moment to like this video and subscribe to the channel. That simple action helps this content reach people who want understanding, not just headlines. Thank you for staying until the end. Stay curious, stay grounded, and I'll see you in the next video.